Hare Krishna to all the viewers and welcome in this video. So this equation that we have here, kinetic energy equals to half mv square, is from your chapter Work and Energy. So work is something which is driven by the formula F into S, which is force into displacement. But today we will discuss about energy. Now energy can be either kinetic energy or potential energy. Potential energy is something which is possessed by the body at rest, whereas kinetic energy is something which is possessed by the body in motion. So here we have this equation and we will derive this equation. How can we say that kinetic energy equals to half mv square? That we will see in today's video. So first we have this equation, v square minus u square equals to 2as. You have seen this equation in your laws of motion chapter. So this equation, v square is your final velocity, u square is your initial velocity, a is the acceleration and s is the distance. Okay. So since we are considering kinetic energy, so u means initial velocity will be 0. So that's why we have put 0 here. So v square equals to 2as. So a will be equals to v square by 2s. I hope it is clear up to now. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Next, from Newton's second law, we know that F equals to m into A. So we just substitute the value of A here and we will get mv square by 2s. Now, as I have mentioned before, that work done is equals to force into displacement, right? So we have written the formula W equals to F into S, and energy is the capacity to do work. So if we know the work done, we will know the energy. Okay. So W equals to F into S. So from here we have just substituted the value of F, which is mv square by 2s into S, and we will get the final answer as mv square by 2, which is half mv square. So from this equation we can say that kinetic energy depends on mass and it depends on velocity. Okay, it depends on mass directly, it also depends on velocity directly, but it depends on the square of velocity directly. Okay, so this is what we can learn from this entire discussion. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Hare Krishna, stay safe and be happy.